Hi guys, this is Prasad. I hope everyone doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to apply a Hong Kong visa. Means pre-arrival registration. Actually, Hong Kong is visa free to Indians for 14 days, but we need to do one process which I'm gonna show you. It is like a visa process. It's very easy. You need not submit any documents like written flight tickets, bank statement. You need not show anything. It's very easy process. You will get 6 months validity visa. Just it's pre-arrival registration. That means it's just like you're informing Hong Kong that you're coming to Hong Kong for visit. That's it. Hong Kong is very beautiful. See, in my background, Hong Kong videos are running, so you can watch. Hong Kong is very beautiful. So I feel Hong Kong is one of the number one country that Indians can visit without visa. Indians can visit easily. Got it? Watch this video till end. I'm gonna show you how to apply Hong Kong visa. I mean pre-arrival registration. How to do pre-arrival registration step by step clearly. Okay, you can easily do if you watch my video till end. Okay, got it? Please watch till end of this video. Okay, I'm gonna take you to straight away to screen. Okay, keep watching. Guys, please notice that I'm gonna tell you only about Hong Kong visa, Hong Kong pre-arrival registration. I'm not telling anything about China visa. Don't mix both. China visa and Hong Kong visa, both are different, because Hong Kong was under British ruling for some time due to some lease or something. So Hong Kong rules are completely different from China. It's like a separate country as per rules. Even China people require some visa or some permission to enter Hong Kong. See this information on one website. As per that, even China people require a visa to enter Hong Kong. Got it? So don't mix both are different. I'm not telling anything about China visa. Okay, I'm telling only about Hong Kong visa. Guys, see, Hong Kong is offering more visa free visa on arrival. It's offering more easy visas to many countries. Even Indians can avail visa on arrival. Indians can stay up to 14 days. That visa on arrival, they changed it to online visa pre-arrival registration, which is like a visa. Okay, earlier it was like a visa on arrival. Indians used to reach Hong Kong airport. There they used to obtain visa. Now they made it easy with this pre-arrival pre-arrival registration system through online, which is like a visa, which I'm gonna show you now. I'm also providing information about which countries don't require visa at all to enter Hong Kong. That means these countries don't require this online pre-arrival registration to visit Hong Kong. It's completely visa free for these countries. Hong Kong is completely visa free for these countries. So these countries directly can go without any pre-arrival registration, without any online visa. They can directly go to Hong Kong and they can visit Hong Kong. Guys, now I'm taking straight away to the screen to show you how to apply. So please watch till end of this video. It will be very helpful for you. It's a completely free visa. You need not make any payment or anything. So please watch till end. Got it? First open Google and type Hong Kong online visa for Indians. You get the site immd.gov.hk. Pre-arrival registration for Indian nationals. Click on that. This is the site. Here you need to apply. You need to click on apply now for applying for online visa. But first we will check eligibility criteria. What it says: Indian nationals who want to visit Hong Kong for 14 days and also who is going to change flight in Hong Kong through transit, have layover time, and during that time anyone want to visit Hong Kong, they also need to apply for this online visa. They need to register for pre-arrival registration. But if they don't want to leave airport during the transit layover time, then they need not apply. That's what it says. And it's completely free. This visa is completely free, but their passport should have minimum 6 months validity. That is only eligibility criteria. Got it? This visa is completely free. Remember that. And what we are doing is just like a pre-arrival registration, like informing Hong Kong that we are coming to Hong Kong for visit. That's it. Now I will show you how to apply. First, again go to first page and click on apply now, which is in red color. Now accept this copyright declaration by ticking the checkbox and click on the start button. Next you will move to the screen where you need to accept that you have a PDF and a printer in your computer. You have to accept and click on continue. Accept that you read the guidelines by ticking the checkbox and click on the continue button. In the beginning I explained about eligibility criteria, right? Same given here. You can go through once again. After reading, you have to accept that you are eligible for applying this pre-arrival registration by ticking the checkbox at the bottom. After that, click on confirm and continue. Now we are moving to main application form. Here you need to enter your passport details and your residential address. Firstly, we need to enter your surname and your full name in given name as per your passport. Remember that. I have already applied for Hong Kong online visa and got it. Now I am just entering dummy details which don't belongs to anyone, just to show you. Next, asking whether you got any alias in your passport. Alias means other names. If you have any other names, click on yes, otherwise no. If you click on yes, you need to enter your other names, okay? And again asking, have you got any other names? If you have any other names, click on yes, otherwise no. Enter nationality now and your gender and marital status, and after that your date of birth. Enter your names, date of birth and all details as per your passport only, because after reaching foreign countries in immigration they verify your details with your passport only. Now select your place of birth. After that, asking whether you're staying in India or not. If you're staying in India, click on yes, otherwise no. If you click on yes, you need to enter your residential address, for Indian residential address, okay? Enter your residential address correctly, because unfortunately if any accidents or if you fall sick after reaching Hong Kong, Hong Kong government try to contact your family to help you. If you enter wrong details, they can never contact your family and they can never get you help. If you select no, saying that I'm not staying in India, then you need to enter your residence foreign country address beneath of Indian residential address, okay? Now you need to enter your country code and area code. If you are staying in India, 91 both, and enter your cell number and telephone number. Now enter your passport number and again enter your passport number and re-input passport number. After that, enter place of issue of passport and passport issue date and expiry date. After that, asking whether you traveled to Hong Kong in last 3 years. If you traveled to Hong Kong, then you have to select yes, otherwise no. If you click on yes, you need to provide those details by selecting month and year when you traveled to Hong Kong. I have selected no, that's why these fields are hidden. If you select yes, these fields would be open to enter details when you traveled to Hong Kong last time. Now asking whether you traveled to any other foreign countries in last 3 years. I went to foreign country last year, that's why I'm selecting yes and selecting month and year of those visits. Guys, please remember, please don't hide your foreign trip details. If you travel to foreign countries, please mention your foreign trip details here. Not only here, when you are applying for any other visas, because that will increase your travel history. If you travel to more countries, then you can get visas. You can get your next visa easily. First time without any travel history, getting a visa is difficult. If you have a lot of travel history, if you travel to more countries, then getting a visa is very easy, because they think you're a world traveler, frequent traveler. They don't get any doubts. Okay, please remember that. Even you have any shortages, like if you forgot to book your return ticket or something, then your travel history may help you. In immigration, they don't see your shortages with magnifier. They allow you to go. Now select in which sector you're working, and name of your company address. After that, enter your company telephone number. Okay, your company details also very important. Enter correctly, because Hong Kong government can get you help by contacting your company if you are in trouble. Select purpose of visit leisure if you just going to visit Hong Kong, and select a minimum 5 days for proposed days of stay, because more than 5 days considered as a trip, and it increases your travel history. It helps you to get your next visa easily. That's why you try to stay more than 5 days, 10 days, like that. If you already booked a hotel for your stay, then mention that hotel address here by clicking input. We need not provide any hotel booking, return flight ticket, bank balance details here. Just to show you, I'm entering hotel booking details. That's it. Okay, it's not mandatory. Next, asking any hotel booking. If you have any hotel booking, just type as, otherwise no. Okay, and next, asking funds available. In funds available, select 5,000 to 10,000, which is sufficient. It's not more nor not less. Okay, if you select first one, it would be very less. They may ask you at immigration, how can you manage with this less funds? Now asking any local connections in Hong Kong. That means whether you know anyone. If you know anyone, click yes and enter the details, otherwise no. See here, others block. Here you have to select all no, because they're asking whether you have any criminal history, whether your previous Hong Kong visa application rejected, like that asking. So you have to select all no based on your history correctly. Read carefully and select yes or no in this block, because if you select anything wrong, it can give you serious negative impact on your application and your visa may get rejected. Now you have to select your identification question, like your first movie, favorite movie, first teacher, like that. This is important. Select whichever you remember very well. This is required for taking printout. System may ask you while you print your visa. So and select the one which you remember very well. After that, enter this text for validation and click on confirm and continue. Now we are moving to a screen wherein you will get a chance to correct your data if you enter anything wrong. So check carefully whether you entered all details correctly or not. If anything wrong, please change it. Okay, after that, go to bottom and click on confirm and submit. After moving to next screen, you will get this kind of visa available there. You can print this. With this, you can go to Hong Kong, just booking a flight ticket. But remember, at the airport, they may ask you whether they may check you whether you got sufficient funds to travel to visit Hong Kong, or you have any return ticket to go back easily to India. So you must carry your return flight ticket and funds. Bank statement with the bank stamp is better. Okay. Have you observed? It's very easy. We need not submit any documents like bank statement, return flight tickets, anything, and it's free of cost. We need not make any payment. So use this facility to visit a foreign country. Thank you. Please do subscribe.